I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by grabbing the language packs you need. Open Google Translate, go to Offline Translation, then download both the source and target languages. Do this on Wi-Fi to avoid data charges. Each pack can be dozens to hundreds of megabytes, so make sure you have enough space. Once downloaded, verify the pack is fully installed in the app list. This step lets the app run entirely without internet, because the model's live on your device rather than in the cloud. Now switch your phone to offline mode by disabling Wi-Fi and cellular data so the app can't reach online services. Open Google Translate and test text input first, then try the camera for instant OCR translations and the conversation mode for two-way speech. The app uses the downloaded models, so performance is local and immediate. If a translation is missing or poor, make sure the exact language variant is installed. Sometimes re-downloading the finish by customizing for fast everyday use. Save common phrases to the phrasebook and enable any offline keyboard or speech permissions the app requests. If a pack isn't recognized, reboot your device and confirm the app has storage and microphone permissions. This clears temporary issues. Make sure to connect occasionally to update language packs for improved accuracy and new vocabulary. With these final checks, Google Translate will reliably operate without internet, useful for travel, remote areas, or data conservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.